Here are 30 smart ways to say no without sounding rude, awkward, or guilty. Let us not waste time. Let's start. I truly appreciate the opportunity, but I'll have to pass this time. This is perfect for professional situations when you want to sound respectful and mature. Example, you can say in this way like, thanks for inviting me to the project, but I'll have to pass this time. Next. Thank you for thinking of me, but I am unable to commit right now. This can be used when you want to decline without giving too many details. Example, I had loved to help, but I am unable to commit right now. Next, I had loved to help, but my schedule is already full. This sounds polite and clearly while setting the boundaries. Example, my week is packed already, so I won't be able to join it. Next, I am honored by the offer, though I need to decline. This can be used a classy way to say no while still appreciating the person. Example, I am honored you considered me, but I need to decline. Next, unfortunately, I won't be able to make it. Simple and clean, useful way for inviting invitations and events. Example, I won't be able to make it tonight, but thanks for inviting me. Next, thanks for the invite, but I'll sit this one out. A casual and a friendly decline that doesn't sound harsh. Example, you guys have fun. I'll sit this one out. Next, I appreciate it, but I already have plans. This will be perfect when you want to decline quickly and politely. Example, I already have plans this weekend, but thank you. Next, that sounds wonderful, but I can't join this time. This keeps conversation positive while still saying no. Example, that sounds fun, but I can't join this time. Next, maybe another time. I will have to pass today. Example, use this when you want to leave the door open for the future plan. You can say in this way, maybe next week instead. I'll have to pass today. Next, I'm going to skip this one, but thank you for asking. A soft and respectful way to decline invitations. Example, I'll skip this one, but thanks for asking me. Next, I don't think I am the right one for this. A professional and the honest without sounding negative. Example, I don't think I am the right fit for this role. Next, I need to prioritize other commitments right now. This sounds responsible and professional. Example, I need to focus on my current commitments first. Next, I won't be able to take this on, but I wish you the best. A kind way to decline while still being supportive. Example, I can't take this on right now, but I hope it goes well. Next, I'll appreciate the offer, though I will respectfully decline. You can say in post like sounding in a polished and confident way. Example, thank you for the offer. I will respectfully decline. Next, I had rather be honest and overcommit. A mature response that shows self-awareness and being honest in that situation. Example, I don't want to overcommit and disappoint later. Next, no thank you. I truly appreciate the opportunity. A direct but a graceful way to say no. Example, no, thank you, but I really appreciate the opportunity. I am choosing to focus on other priorities at the moment. This can be used in the situation where you don't want to prioritize other commitments rather than what you have committed. This helps you to sound intentional instead of guilty. Example, I am focusing on personal priorities right now. Next, that doesn't align with my current goals, but thank you. Professional and confident for the business situations. Example, it doesn't align with my goals currently, but thank you. Next, I will have to decide, though I value the invitation. A respectful decline that still feels firm. Example, I value the invitation, but I'll have to decline. Next, thanks, but I'll pass for the now. A short and casual response that sounds still polite. Example, thanks for asking, but I'll pass for now. I appreciate it, but not this time. Simple and respectful and perfect for everyday situations. Example, I appreciate the offer, but not this time. Next. Kind offer, I'll politely decline. This sounds elegant and professional. You can use in this situation and the example will be like, that's a kind offer, but I'll politely decline. Next. I am unable to join. I am unable to join, but thank you for considering me. A warm decline that keeps the relationship positive. Example, I can't join the event, but thank you for considering me. Respectfully, I'll say no. Direct and confident and still respectful. Example, respectfully, I'll say no this to opportunity. I appreciate your trust in me, but I can't commit currently. This can be used in a situation and perfect for work or responsibility based on requesters. Example, I appreciate your request and trust, but I can't commit currently. I'll need to step away from this opportunity. A calm and a professional way to decline. Example, I'll need to step away from this project for now. Thank you, but I need to decline for personal reasons. This helps you to maintain privacy while still being polite. Example, I'll need to decline for personal reasons, but thank you. I am grateful for the invitation, but I won't be participating. A respectful responses for formal situations or events. Example, I am grateful for the invitation, but I won't be participating. Next, I appreciate the gesture, though I'll have to pass. A smooth and balanced way to say no politely. Example, I appreciate the gesture, but I'll have to pass now. Next, remember, saying no politely is not rude. It's a sign of confidence, clarity, and healthy boundaries. Declining respectfully is not a rejection. It's setting clear boundaries with kindness. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment for more contents which you want to know about anything, any topics, etc. Please like, share, subscribe, and give a share. Thank you.